What's up, y'all? I'm back with another video. Today I'll be doing a sponsorship with UNICE hair. First, I want to show y'all what I got in the package. I got like a cute no, it's not a bracelet. I think it's a chain. A cute, nice chain. You know, a little calm, classy. You know, some lashes. I got a slip strip. Basically, like you can put it under your wig so that your wig does not slip. These are like better for closure wigs instead of frontals because you'll be able to see the black in the wig. They also gave me a headband and also a robe. Child, that robe is so nice. Okay, I've been wearing it ever since I got it. So they provided me with a 24-inch 5x5 closure wig. One thing I can say about this wig was so thick and so soft and luxurious. I went ahead and bleached the knots off camera because I already have a tutorial on how to bleach knots. If you would like to see, you can go back to one of my old videos and check that out. And y'all, please excuse my shirt. I don't know why I got all this hair on my shirt. I even noticed. I'm like, what the hell? What is all this hair on my shirt? So now I'm about to go ahead and pluck the wig just so that it can have a more natural look to it and not be so thick in the front. I like to pluck as much as I can because I would rather it be like thinned out and mimic my natural hairline than to be extremely thick and look wiggish. But the rest is self-explanatory. I also have a video, a fully detailed video in one of my previous videos. So if you would like to see how I pluck my wigs, please check that out as well. So this is what it looks like plucked versus unplucked. You see how natural it looks and how when I put it on my head it can mimic my natural hairline. Now this is with both sides plucked. Child, I can't wait to put this on because I already know it's about to hit, okay? So once I'm done plucking, I like to hot comb on the mannequin head. I find it's easier to use the hot comb on the mannequin head because when you do it on your head, it is extremely hot and it's just like you can never get it as flat as you want it to be. I'm putting the makeup on my wig cap, I like to do this little trick where I spray the even spray on my wig cap and then tie it down so that it can make the wig cap as flat as possible. Instead of cutting it and doing the bowl cap, it's just like, a waste of time when you can just tie it down and make it flat. They also gave me a UNICE melt band. I forgot to add that in the beginning, but that was extremely helpful. And do y'all see that hairline? No, that shit is plucked to the gods, okay? This lace is extremely thin. It's almost like I didn't even have the lace on. Like, I didn't even cut it yet, but once I cut it, it's going to be extremely see-through. And I didn't even add anything onto this lace. So I went ahead and cut the lace off camera. Now I'm adding this. It's like a black spray, but it's really brown, and it's really just to clean up and define the part. I'm so damn white. You see the damn mark on my on my face, but I had to put my glasses on because I could not see anything. Recording in a camera is not easy, okay? And that wig is going nowhere, okay? Even they really did their thing with that spray, okay? And they should sponsor me. That's all I'm going to say. But now I'm just hot combing my hair, making everything more flat. Going over it one more time. As I'm styling my hair, I like to keep the melt band on just so that my lace is melting while I'm doing my hair, and it's just like holding even more. I feel like the more you melt it is the more it's gonna be melted, if you understand what I'm saying. So now really I'm just curling my hair, putting some curls in my hair, nothing too crazy, like big curls. Okay, these curls is giving, okay? Nice and bouncy. Their hair is so thick, it doesn't look stringy. And now for the final result, boom. Okay, boom. No baby hairs, no nothing, melted, curled, everything. Boom. Okay? But this is the real boom. Now, I decided to add baby hairs. I did it off camera because it is extremely hard, like I said, to record on camera. So I decided to do the African TAE RE baby hairs. It came out so cute. Okay, I can't wait to really do my makeup and be a bad bitch.